Now, big, do you know what big stands for?
What's that?
Before it's gone. I learned that recently, so I hit people with it all the time.
The things we didn't know.
I know.
How about that?
It's also a really great price on an item. Now, my mom has one of these in her home.
Yeah.
And she called my brother and sister and said, bring your K-Cups home.
I love it.
Bring your K-Cups home so that way you'll have because I don't want to go out and buy 3 different varieties that you're going to drink 2 of, and then I'll be stuck with them. And because mom drinks decaf, right?
Bring your own. I like it.
And so she has one of these at home, and it was a lifesaver.
Yeah.
This is because in the morning everybody likes their coffee a little different. I like mine to stand up and salute me.
Yes, sir.
In the morning. And this has a strong button on it.
It does.
My brother likes a coffee a little weaker. My mom likes decaf coffee.
And guess what? Nobody has to compromise.
No one has to compromise. This is Melissa Fleming Apps.
Hi there, everyone.
And she's here with a big deal of $59.98. Now, since the launch, 2,000 of these have been ordered. Now, this will do a beverage of
all the way up to
either 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces.
That's right. Right? How great is that?
And the water reservoir removes from the unit, so you can take it to your water source and fill it with water. If you have really hard water, we recommend using bottled or distilled water.
That's right.
Most people will be able to get away with just using tap water.
Absolutely.
Now, this also comes with a little cylinder that will hold 9 K-Cups.
Isn't that awesome? K-Cup storage, so great if you have a little small space and you don't want to take up real estate, right? I love the fact it's going to nestle right on top of the drip tray when it's not being used, David, so it's something that's fabulous.
This makes the one hole in the top. I know that that is a question that many of you have, and so I will answer that, but it does come with a voucher. Now, you spend $60 on this voucher, and then you get $50 off. Now, I've covered up the QR code.
Secrets.
Because we don't want to make it too easy for anyone to just stop their DVR and copy down the QR code. Too tempting. So, you spend $60, you get $50 off of whatever you want to buy at Keurig.com.
Isn't that amazing?
And we have colors, Miss.
We have great colors. That's what's so fun about the mini brewer. We don't typically get to do some of these fun colors. So
we have this in the aqua, which is here on the end, 1700 in the aqua. Then we have it for you in teal, 1600 in the teal. Then red. 2100 white, and then we 2100 in the white, and we have gray. Gray is our most popular with only 2,500 available. Now, you will put the water in, and it'll suck the water into the machine and heat it up.
That's right.
How long does it take to do a whole cup?
Just under 2 minutes time, David, because what's happening is it's a fresh pour with each cup that you're choosing to brew. So we're going to pour our water down the back. This is going to be able to brew a 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce travel mug size, David, so we love that. And the thing that's so great about this water reservoir is you can take it to your water source, or you can bring your water source to it. There's little lines with demarcations on the side that's going to tell you exactly how much that you're putting in here. But then you're going to take your K-Cup, you're going to place it inside the brewer, you're going to close the top of the brewer. Super simple, no cumbersome menu to toggle through. All you need to do is press that button. You do have a choice though. Do you want to take your K-Cup and brew it on a strong feature? I know you do, David.
I do.
I love the fact that this brewer has that option. You're simply going to press that button, and it's going to take just under 2 minutes time, because what's happening is you can actually hear it. It's drawing the water inside. That heating source is going to heat it up to 192 degrees, which is the perfect temperature for piping hot cup of coffee to really extract that maximum flavor, that aroma, and of course that taste.
I know they call this a coffee maker, but I think that's a bit of a misnomer. I think it's a beverage center, because it will do hot apple cider, it'll do hot cocoa, it'll do whatever you need. How many varieties of K-Cups are there?
Over 700. David, I can't even keep up. When I go on Keurig.com, there are new names. Would you like some of this?
I would like some
hot apple cider for you,
on
sir.
On a cold, snowy day, yes.
But there are 70, be careful, piping hot, 192 degrees. But there are over 75 different brands, and they're names that you know, love, and trust. You're going to recognize them. They're not no-name coffee brands. Names like Green Mountain Coffee Roasters, names like Tully's, names like Starbucks. You don't have to go wait in that drive-through line. You can do it in the comfort and convenience of your own home. But it's not just about coffee. It's tea, it's hot cocoa, it's iced beverages. You even have the opportunity to use this brewer, David, for hot water on demand, which is a great little shortcut.
So if you're making maybe instant soup, instant oatmeal, all those kinds of things. Now, ordinarily, this brewer is $109 at retail.
Yes.
We are $49.02 less, but because everything today in the culinary and food category, because of Now Your Cooking Day, is on free ship, so is this.
So great.
You're saving another $7.50 on top.
Amazing.
Of everything else you're saving, and it's the lowest price we found.
And then that voucher.
And then you get the 50, you spend 60,
yes.
you get 50 to spend any way you like.
You can go on Keurig.com and you can pick out, you can customize your offer. You can pick out your K-Cups. We have over 700 different brands, 75 varieties, but you can also do a carousel to hold them. You can do a My K-Cup. You can do cleaning solution, whatever you want.
Yeah, and a lot of people think their machine is broken when it needs to be descaled. It just means you've got harder water than most and you need to get some of those minerals out of there.
Just got to clean her a little bit.
So it's easy peasy to do so. And this little cylinder will hold 9 K-Cups, either used K-Cups before you get them thrown out or recycled or whatever, or whole K-Cups that have never been used before.
That's right.
All this happens for you at a time when you're looking to brew the perfect beverage 1 cup at a time.
And here we are right now. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do your hot water on demand. I filled the water reservoir. I did just about 6 ounces of water. I'm going to go ahead. You'll notice I have no K-Cup in there, right? So you don't want to put one in there if you want it to dispense hot water. And then I'm simply going to press that button. And in just under 2 minutes time, it's going to heat up that piping hot water. It's going to dispense into my oatmeal container.
It's sucking all the water into the machine.
You can hear it. It's working overtime.
It's going into the machine, heating up, and then we'll extrude.
Yes, that's right. And I'm going to show you, I love the fact that we've included the K-Cup storage for you with this. This is so great because it measures just less than 5 inches wide, which is going to be great if you're really trying to maximize your counter space. But if you maybe K-Cup storage is an issue for you, look, this is going to hold 9 K-Cups, so you can use it for your empty K-Cups when you're done. They are all fully recyclable, all the Keurig branded K-Cups. However, it's important to note it doesn't need to be a Keurig K-Cup to work in this machine. But I love the fact that this is great if it's going to be your full-time brewer in your kitchen, but it's also great if you're going to use it in a dorm room, in an office, in a cubicle, in a basement, in a master bedroom or bathroom suite, because it's nice and small and compact, but it's still going to give you that piping hot cup of coffee, tea, or hot cocoa that you've grown to love and trust from Keurig.
700 of these are gone in this show, and that's 2,500 since launch, since this big deal launched. And I will tell you, if you're looking for your own personal brewer, maybe for a primary bathroom, maybe for a primary bedroom,
so decadent.
before you even make it down to the kitchen, you have your own cup of something.
Right?
You're coming out of the shower or waiting to go into the shower, and you're having your own private cup of something.
Love it. How about in a guest room?
How about it?
You have guests that come over and use your guest room. They go ahead, they can make their own cup of coffee.
And if you've got a little mini fridge in that guest room, they've got a place to keep creamer.
They're never going to come out, and they're never going to leave. That might be a problem.
That might be a problem. All right, now, all this coming together for you with free shipping and handling, 4 easy payments, the voucher, and the big deal price. Please don't miss out on this. And we have colors. We have aqua, we have teal, we have red, we have white, and very popular in the gray. Melissa Fleming, it's nice to have you back.
Thank you so much, David. It's great to be here.
Always a pleasure.
Have a great day, everyone.
Now, is Rachel up next? Oh, Rachel's going to talk about Roar that's coming up.
I am, yes, and it's a worldwide launch. So you know and love Roar for all of its wonderful electrolyte drinks, but now Roar is also bringing you immune support.